Come on friends, let's subscribe. Subscribed? Thank you. Today we are going to revise questions which will come in coming online examination. Please revise again and again. Let's start. Question number 201. What happens to a three-phase induction motor if one phase fails during running? Answer C. Motor runs slowly. Finally, it burns. Question number 102. What is the effect on three-phase induction motor if one phase is cut off during running with load? Answer D. Motor will run slow speed, but winding will be burnt out shortly. Question number 203. What is the defect if starter with single phasing preventer does not switch on? Answer A. Improper phase sequence. 204. What is the defect in AC three-phase induction motor? Runs at low speed if loaded. Answer D. Partially shorted stator winding. 205. Which fault condition? Thermal overload relay protects AC induction motor. Answer C. Overcurrent. 206. What happens to the rotor of a three-phase induction motor if its speed attains to synchronous speed? Answer D. Rotor bars get damaged. 207. What is the effect of open circuit in rotor of an induction motor? Answer D. Motor runs with very low speed. 208. What is the reason for frequent blowing of fuse after motor running some time? Answer D. Poor insulation in winding. 209. What happens to a phase induction motor if one phase fails during starting? Answer A. Motor runs and stops immediately. Which is the cause for the three-phase motor? 210. Which is the cause for the three-phase motor starter with single phase preventer trips frequently? Answer C. Incorrect settings of OLR. 211. What indication denotes the shorted coil defect in three-phase motor stator winding while testing with internal growler by keeping hacksaw blade? Answer B. Rapid vibration of hacksaw blade. 212. What is the working principle of single phase induction motor? Answer A. Lenz's law. 2. 13. What is the name of single phase motor? Answer A. Permanent capacitor motor. 2. 14. What is the working principle of split phase motor? Answer A. Lenz's law. 2. 15. Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. Answer D. Capacitor start, capacitor run motor. 2. 16. Which type of AC single phase motor is classified under commutator motor type? Answer B. Repulsion motor. 217. Which method is adopted to start the single phase induction motor? Answer A. Split phase method. 218. What is the type of AC single phase motor? Answer D. Capacitor start induction run motor. 219. What is the purpose of the capacitor in centrifugal switch speed control method or universal motor? Answer D. Reduce the sparks on the contacts. 220. Which type of winding wire is used for rewinding submersible pumps? Answer A. PVC covered copper wire. 221. Which type of AC single phase motor having low starting torque? Answer D. Resistance start induction run motor. 222. What is the function of centrifugal switch in single phase motors? Answer B. Break the starting winding. 223. Which is the application of universal motor? Answer B. Food mixer. 224. Which single phase motor is fitted with wound rotor? Answer A. Repulsion motor. 225. What is the relation between running winding and starting winding of a single phase induction motor with respect to resistance? Answer B. Running winding is less, starting winding more. 226. What is the function of the part marked as X in shaded pole motor? Answer C. Initiate the rotor movement. 227. How the direction of rotation of a capacitor start induction run motor is reversed? Answer C. By interchanging main winding terminals. 228. Which single phase motor tapped field speed control method is employed? Answer A. Universal motor. 229. Which type of single phase induction motor is used in food mixer? Answer A. Universal motor. 230. What is the angular displacement between starting and running winding of a single phase induction motor? Answer C. 90 degree electrical degree. 231. Why the hysteresis motor is suitable for sound recording instruments? Answer C. Noiseless operation. 232. Which motor is preferred for domestic water pumps? Answer D. Capacitor start motor. 233. Which type of motor has relatively small starting torque? Answer D. Resistance start induction run motor. 234. What is the function of centrifugal switch in split phase motor? Answer D. Make and break the starting winding from supply. 235. How to produce starting torque in a shaded pole fan motor? Answer A. Using rings on poles. 236. What is the reason to use a permanent capacitor in fan motor circuit? Answer C. Splitting of phase for torque. 237. Which motor is having half coil winding? Answer C. Ceiling fan. 238. Why running winding is placed in the bottom of the core? Answer D. To get high inductance. 239. Calculate the slot distance for a ceiling fan having 28 slots, 14 poles, 14 coils in half coil connection. Answer A. 90 degree. 240. What is the application of shaded pole motor? Answer A. Hair dryer. 241. Which type of single phase motor is used for hard disk drives? Answer A. Stepper motor. 242. What is the function of centrifugal switch used in capacitor start, capacitor run induction motor? Answer C. Disconnect the starting capacitor after reached 75% to 80% speed. 243. 3. Which type of single phase motor is having very high starting torque than any other type of single phase motor? Answer A. Universal motor. 244. Where the capacitor is connected in a single phase permanent capacitor motor. Answer A. In series with starting winding. 245. Which motor is used in table fan? Answer D. Permanent capacitor motor. 246. What is the effect if the coil group connection is wrongly connected in a single phase motor rewinding? Answer B. Motor will not run. 247. What is the effect in a repulsion motor if the magnetic axis shifted to another side? Answer A. Direction of rotation will change. 248. What is the effect if the centrifugal switch is not disconnected after the motor starts? Answer C. Starting winding will burn out. 249. How the direction of rotation of repulsion motor is to be reversed? Answer A. By shifting the brush axis. 250. Why a capacitor is connected across centrifugal switch in the centrifugal switch speed control method? Answer D. To reduce the sparks in contacts. 251. What is the effect if some slots in a split phase motor left out without winding after completion of concentric winding? Answer A. Works normally. 252. How the radio interference can be suppressed in centrifugal switch method of speed control of universal method? Answer A. By connecting capacitor across centrifugal switch. Thank you for watching full video.